Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're talking about something we all want, saving money.
And I'm Adam. Yes, saving money, spending smart, and making good daily habits. Don't worry, no boring finance talk here, just simple English and real-life stories.
So Adam, be honest, are you a smart spender?
Sometimes yes, sometimes not so much. Last week, I bought 3 donuts instead of 1.
3? Why 3?
Because the shop had a sign, buy 2, get 1 free. My heart said, yes. My wallet said, no.
Okay friends, today we'll learn how to spend smart in simple English. And yes, donuts are allowed sometimes. Let's start with a small story. When I was in college, I bought a fancy coffee every morning, about $5.
$5? Every day?
Yeah, and one day my friend asked, why don't you make coffee at home?
And what did you say?
I said, I like the cup. Not even the coffee, the cup. But when I started making my own coffee, I saved $100 in 1 month.
That's the power of small habits, little changes, big results. Let's learn some useful money words. Word 1, budget. Meaning, a plan for how you use your money. Example, I made a budget so I don't spend too much. Word 2, waste. Meaning, to use money on things you don't need. Example, buying things you never use is a waste. Word 3, savings. Meaning, money you keep for later. Example, small savings grow over time.
Great! Now, let's practice together. Say it with us. I have a budget. I don't want to waste money. I want to grow my savings.
Here's a cool English idiom about money. Every penny counts. Meaning, small amounts of money are important.
Like when you stop buying expensive coffee and save $100. Yes, every penny counts.
Let's share some simple daily habits anyone can do. 1. Make a shopping list.
If you don't make a list, you will buy things you don't need, like candles, 12 candles, for no reason. 2. Carry a water bottle.
Buying water every day is small, but it adds up. 3. Turn off lights and fans.
Electricity bills love to grow. Let them stay small. 4. Compare prices.
Sometimes one shop is expensive, and the shop next door is cheap. 5. Ask yourself, do I really need this?
This one saves me every time. She holds an imaginary big teddy bear. I love you, but do I really need you?
Let's practice speaking. Repeat after us. I spend smart. I save a little every day. Small habits make big change.
Beautiful! Your English is growing, and maybe your savings too. You know, when I started smart spending, I saved enough to buy my first camera.
And that camera helped her start, well, this channel.
Yes, so remember, your dreams grow when you take small steps.
Smart spending isn't about being strict. It's about being wise.
Thanks for learning with us today. Tell us in the comments, what habit do you want to change to save money?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to save money too. See you next time on Amjee's English World.